In a small, charming village nestled in the countryside lived a little cat named Patches. She was a mischievous, bright-eyed kitten with orange, black, and white spots scattered across her fluffy fur. Patches lived with a loving family who adored her, and she spent her days chasing butterflies, exploring the garden, and taking long naps in the warm sunshine. But despite all the fun and comfort of her life, Patches had one deep longing. She wanted to fly. Every morning, she would watch the birds as they chirped and flitted about in the trees. They soared so effortlessly through the sky, and Patches was filled with envy. How wonderful it must be to have wings, she thought one day, her tail swishing behind her as she sat on the windowsill. If only I could fly like them. Patches wasn't the type to give up on a dream easily, so she decided then and there that she would learn to fly, no matter what it took. The next day, Patches was determined to start her flying lessons. If the birds can do it, so can I, she declared confidently. She looked around the garden, searching for a place to begin her first attempt. She spotted a tall tree, with thick branches reaching up towards the sky. Perfect, she thought. Climbing trees was something she was already good at. She dug her claws into the bark and scrambled up the tree, branch by branch, until she reached the highest point she could find. Perched at the top, she looked down at the ground below. It seemed very far away, and for a moment, Patches felt a little nervous. But she quickly shook off the fear. If birds can jump from here and fly, so can I. She took a deep breath, spread her paws out as if they were wings, and leapt off the branch. For a split second, Patches felt like she was flying. The wind rushed past her face, and her heart raced with excitement. But the feeling didn't last long. Patches landed in a soft bush at the base of the tree. Her paws were tangled in the branches. Her fur was full of leaves. She blinked in confusion, her tail twitching. That didn't go quite as planned, she muttered, pulling herself free from the bush. The birds in the tree chirped overhead, as if laughing at her. Patches sat up, brushed the leaves off her fur, and sighed. Maybe flying is harder than it looks. But she wasn't ready to give up just yet. Patches spent the rest of the afternoon thinking about what had gone wrong. As she watched the birds dart from tree to tree, she noticed something important. Of course, she exclaimed, her whiskers twitching with excitement. It's their wings. They have feathers and I don't. Determined to solve the problem, Patches set off on a new mission. She spent the next few days collecting feathers from around the garden. Whenever a bird dropped a feather, she would pounce on it and carefully tuck it away in a little pile under her favorite bush. She gathered feathers of all sizes, small, fluffy ones and large, colorful ones. Once she had enough, Patches went to work. She used pieces of string she had found to tie the feathers to her front paws and back legs, making herself a pair of makeshift wings. She admired her work in the reflection of a puddle nearby. I look just like a bird now, she said, puffing out her chest with pride. Feeling confident, Patches climbed up the tree again, her new feathered wings fluttering in the breeze. She spread her paws wide, just like she'd seen the birds do, and jumped once more. This time, she didn't even make it to the bush. Her feathered wings fell apart midair, and Patches tumbled ungracefully to the ground. Feathers scattered everywhere, and Patches landed with a thump on the soft grass. Well, that didn't work either, she grumbled, plucking a feather from her fur. As Patches lay on the grass, staring up at the sky, she heard a soft flutter of wings nearby. She looked up to see a large, wise-looking owl perched on a branch above her. His feathers were dark and speckled, and his round eyes glowed with curiosity.